How to access your RTD Smart account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you access your RTD Smart Card account. It's a really simple process, so here's how you can do it. First of all, go to the official website of RTD, open your web browser and visit the Regional Transportation District RTD website. Find the Smart Card section and then locate the section on the website dedicated to the Smart Card services, usually under the fares, passes, or Smart Cards. Log into your account, click on the login link on the Smart Card page and enter your username and password correctly. Once logged in, access your account dashboard to view card balance, transactions, and other details. Reload your card, update personal info, report lost or stolen cards, or change your password from the dashboard. Finally, if you have any issues, you can contact the RTD customer service with the login issues or account access. They'll help you instantly. And remember to log out after managing your account, especially on the public computers, and keep your account info safe. Don't share your login details, and also contact the RTD for the unauthorized use and monitor your account regularly. So this was all about how you can access your RTD Smart Card. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.